We know our product or our work is amazing, but the results just don't reflect that. What's missing? That this could completely change your life, your business, and your financial future. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a content creator, or an author, you might just be one skill away from getting rich. And that's not an exaggeration. You've built a great business, but you can't seem to scale it. You're an excellent writer, but no one's buying your books. You make incredible content, but your views and subscriber count barely budge. And it's frustrating, right? Because you know you've got something special, so why aren't you getting the results? Because you might be missing just one more skill, a skill that can elevate you from where you are to where you want to be. Too often we let our frustration take over. We know our product or our work is amazing, but the results just don't reflect that. What's missing? That one skill that can change everything. For me, I'm fortunate enough to work at a job that pays for LinkedIn Learning. So I'm going on there to learn everything about marketing. That's the skill I know will take me to the next level. But here's the thing. Don't just learn the new skill. You have to implement it right away. Knowledge without action is just potential. Even if you can't afford to pay for a course, you can still make it happen. Go to YouTube University. A few years ago, YouTube had me crocheting hair in my dining room like a pro. So trust me, if you want to learn something, YouTube is a great resource for free lessons. There are so many great channels that can help you master a skill. You can always find a way to learn the skills you need, no matter the circumstances. It can be marketing, sales, networking, or even something like communication skills. Whatever it is, admitting you need to learn that skill and then mastering it can be the difference between making 5 figures and making 7 figures. Yes, it's that serious. Stop saying, I'm not good at that. Instead, go take a course and become great at it. And if you're fortunate enough to have the money, pay someone who's an expert to do it for you. But the key is knowing what you're missing and understanding that it's okay to need help. I finally read Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. He shared a story about a reporter in Singapore who interviewed him. She was a brilliant writer and wanted to be a best-selling author just like him. But no matter how good her novels were, they just weren't selling. When Kiyosaki suggested she take a sales course, she got highly offended. She had a master's in English Lit. Why would she need to learn sales? But what he pointed out to her was that he wasn't a best writing author, he was a best-selling author. And that was the difference. She let her pride hold her back, and she was just one skill away from being rich. Don't be like that. If you're not getting the results you want, ask yourself, what am I missing? What skill could I learn that could take me to the next level? There's a quote from Og Mandino that says, take the attitude of a student. Never be too big to ask questions. Never know too much to learn something new. Humble yourself. Don't get offended if someone says, this is great, but it can be even better if you did that. You know they're right. You're just mad because you don't know how to do that. But that's fixable. You don't know how to do it yet. Don't miss out on your opportunity for wealth just because you're afraid to learn something new. One key to success is being willing to learn. And when you learn that new skill, don't gatekeep it. Share it with others. Gatekeeping will keep you stuck. You've got to give to receive. When you help others grow, you grow too. You have the potential to be extraordinary. So don't settle for ordinary just because it's easy or less time consuming. What's the one skill you need to get rich? You are one skill away from everything you've ever dreamed of. Just keep learning, keep sharing, and watch your pockets grow along with your impact. If you feel like working a job is in the way of your dreams, watch this next video. I'll see you on the other side.